So here you can see the outfit or the image that we have provided to this project has been analyzed properly. And the AI finds all the small details like the color of the outfit, the floral embroidery, and the soft fabric texture. You can see in the output of this node. Now what is next? So coming back here, so we can see it has attached one more node, that is prompt generator. So basically it is a AI generator. And the use of this node is to combine two things: the user's request and the output of the image analysis. So coming back here, so here you can see on form submission we have provided two things. The first one is the image as well as the prompt. So the prompt is an Indian actress wearing this suit, full body pose. And also you can see this has analyzed the image. So this prompt generator is going to combine both the things, the user request as well as the details from the image analysis, this one. And it is going to create one final prompt. The prompt generator also uses the think tool, which helps the AI double check and refine the details before finishing the prompt. The best part is this project is better than just using ChatGPT. Normally with ChatGPT, you have to spend a lot of time writing and rewriting prompts to get them right. Here the system does it for you. It creates a strong and accurate prompt in seconds. This saves times and makes sure the final image matches both the original design and the user's idea. So that's all. In the next lecture, I am going to create the next node.